Hi, I'm Penny Tremblay. I help corporate people learn to play nice in the sandbox, and when they can't, I help them fix broken relationships. Do you know how people are hired for their technical skills, but turfed or stuck in the sand because of their lack of ability to get along with people? Well, what I do is help people improve their sandbox factor so they can build productive, peaceful, and profitable relationships in their workplace. A recent study determined that employees spend 2.8 hours per week dealing with conflict. That's $350 billion in paid hours, or 385 working days of lost productivity. Ouch! And everyone in the organization should be saying ouch, because great teamwork is everyone's responsibility. Invest in a foundation of peace and playing nice so the productivity that follows is strong enough to build your greatest castle. We all know you can't build a castle on quicksand, so tap into my epic keynotes to learn cutting-edge information that will help build solid relationships at work and beyond. Invite me to deliver an on-site training program or help with a complete workplace restoration. If you're ready to ramp up the get-along factor, then contact me for some individual coaching. Get ready to play nice in the sandbox, because your greatest leadership day is with Penny Tremblay.